Hello dear children, welcome back to the class. Now in this video we'll try to have a look whether you have to look for online education or you have to look for offline education. Because all the parents and students they are confused whether we have to look for online education or offline education. Now please try to understand who has time these days. All right, if you're preferring for offline education, that is fine. In schools you are doing it, that is completely fine, because school is a setup starting from 9 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock or maybe 5:30, and sometimes they keep some extra classes only during few months, 2 3 months. All right, throughout the year what you have to prefer, you have to prefer hybrid education, dear children. See, this is not only offline or not completely online. It has to be mixture of both the things. It has to be mix of both the things. Well, that's first and foremost point. You have to look for both the online as well as offline education. Now you have to look what are the advantages and disadvantages of offline as well as online education. Coming to offline education in the first line. Now in offline education, the advantage is teacher is in front of you, he is teaching you or she is teaching you, that is fine, and you are writing the notes there. Okay, and the teacher is able to check your notes, right? So they are able to have a track on you. So in offline, all right, what is a disadvantage? See, immediately I have covered all the advantages, right? What is a disadvantage? You have to travel, you have to spend your fuel, you have to give extra time. For example, 1 hour class is there in any tuition classes and all. So for 1 hour you have to travel 15 20 minutes or maybe half an hour, and again you have to travel back for another 15 20 minutes or half an hour. But for 1 hour class you are spending another 1 hour. So that is a main disadvantage in offline classes, that too in tuitions. All right, so whenever it comes to tuitions, during your holidays you can have offline classes where you are able to visit when the school schedule is not tight and all. So when the school schedule becomes tight, it's not that you are supposed to leave the classes. No, that is not the case. You have to attend the classes, but that has to be online. So this is very very important. All right, so advantages of online education is that you are at the comfort of your home, irrespective of whether it is very sunny outside, whether it is rainy or it's cold during your exam times. I mean, during this month of December, now actually it is supposed to be actually cold, but it is raining now. November it is there, but we are approaching towards December, right? December means it is supposed to be cold, but it is raining. So at these times, it becomes very very useful for you sitting at the comfort of your home. All right, in your personal room with the mobile in front of you. I mean, for this online education, the child has to be very much dedicated. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? If you're very much dedicated, then online education will be most effective for you. All right, offline anyhow it is there. I'm not denying that, that fact is there, but along with that, this online will be of great help to you if you are like very dedicated. All right, so this is the, I mean, you can save a lot of time, and you can sit at the comfort of your home and you can learn. Still you can make good notes, and tests can be conducted. Especially I'm telling you, in online only I was able to conduct many tests for you guys, those who are attending our online classes from Kalparaksha classes. Even you know about that. All right, so online gives us that freedom, okay, to shift over the things, and the times can be very much flexible, and that recording will be there at any instant of time. If you want to see that, you can see. In offline classes, once it is taught means it is taught, that recorded video is not there, same thing is not there. You can look for the reference, that is written notes is there, it is already uploaded on Teachment, and it will be sent through Drive also sometimes. All right, so online as well as offline education, they have their own advantages and disadvantages, but online you have to prefer more and more, because the whole world is shifting online these days. Okay, anyway, online classes will also be keep on going from Kalparaksha classes, and offline classes will also be called whenever it is necessary and whenever time permits us. Definitely that is there from our side. So you have supported us till now, keep on supporting, so that the Kalparaksha classes will deliver very qualitative offline as well as online classes for all the children of Mudul. Thank you very much. Have a good day and bye bye.